In this video, I'll show you how to turn off automatic app updates on Samsung One UI 8.5 or any latest Samsung Galaxy device. By default, your phone automatically updates apps in the background. But if you want more control over your data usage, storage, or app versions, you can easily disable auto updates. I'll show you how to turn off auto updates for all apps, or disable auto update for a specific app only. Let's get started. Method 1. Turn off auto updates for all apps. First, open the Google Play Store on your Samsung device. Now tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Tap on Settings. Next, tap Network Preferences or General, depending on your Play Store version. Now tap Auto Update Apps. Here you'll see a few options. Update all apps over Wi-Fi or mobile data. Update with limited amount of mobile data. Update over Wi-Fi only. Don't auto update apps. Select Don't auto update apps. That's it. Automatic app updates are now disabled for all apps on your Samsung device. Method 2. Turn off auto update for a specific app. If you only want to stop updates for one specific app, here's how. Open the app drawer to your phone. Long press the app you want to manage and tap I icon. Scroll down at the end and tap App Details in Store. Tap 3 vertical dots in the top right corner. You'll see an option called Enable Auto Update. Simply uncheck the box. Now that specific app will no longer update automatically. And that's it. That's how you can turn off automatic app updates on Samsung One UI 8.5 or any latest Samsung Galaxy phone.